Hello, my name is Daniel. In this video, you're going to learn how to set up your gift card suite account. Once you have signed up to your premium plan, the first thing you will select is the account setup page. This page must be filled out 100% in order to start selling your gift cards. This video will be broken down into 4 quick and easy steps. By the end of this video, you will know how to sell gift cards for your local business. Let's begin. The first step is providing your business information. So the first thing we'll do is add in our business name. First we'll put gift card suite. For you, you'll put whatever your business name may be. And then you'll put in your physical address of where your store or shop is located. Then you'll put in the city, then the state, then the zip code, then add your phone number, and if you have a website, be sure to add that as well. Now that you added all your business information, you can continue on to the second step. Now that you have saved your business information, we are going to add the gift card store URL. The gift card store URL is important because it is how your customers will find you. So your account name should be the same as your business. So in our case, it would be gift card suite. In your case, it may be the name of your place of business, like your massage therapy spa, your hair salon, your dermatology center, whatever your business name is, you want to make sure you add it right there. And be sure to note, only alphanumeric characters, dashes, and underscores are allowed. And also, as you can see here, this is the URL that your customers will see, and it's very important that it matches your business, as you can see, for brand awareness and for brand consistency. So now that we have completed gift card store URL, we are going to continue to the next step. Here in the third step, we are going to create your first gift card. You can name your gift card anything you like. So for example, you could do happy birthday. And what makes this interesting is you could either choose a monetary amount or a specific item. In the case of a specific item, you want to make it just that, a specific item. So let's just say you own a hair salon and you're selling hairspray, you would put just that hairspray. In most cases, customers are going to want to select the monetary amount, so let's just go to that one. So the name, let's make it happy birthday, because birthdays take place 365 days out of the year. We select the monetary amount. Should we allow customers to enter their own amount? That is up to you. You can say yes or no. We'll allow them in this case. Also, you want to add the show amount on your gift card. You can choose yes or no. It's up to you. In this case, we'll choose yes. Here, you'll choose your gift card amounts. As you can see, the customers can choose from $25, $50, or $100. Let's just say you wanted to add $75. You just add that amount, and as you can see, $75 is there. Now, you can choose your design. You could simply drag and drop a file, or you could upload your own. Or what makes it easier is you could have a pre-made gift card template and select right here. And now you could see the preview of your gift card. And now you are complete. Now you can go on to the fourth and final step. Let's continue. Now that you have successfully created a gift card, you could connect to a payment gateway. Connecting to a payment gateway allows you to accept payments in your gift card shop. You must connect to at least one of the payment gateways listed below before your shop becomes active. You have the option of Stripe or PayPal. We highly recommend using Stripe as it's what we use and it's the most credible. You can use PayPal if you like, but we do insist on using Stripe. So all you have to do is click Connect with Stripe, and you have two options. You could either connect with an existing Stripe account, or if you don't have one, simply just create a new Stripe account and then revisit this page and then connect. Success! Your gift card suite account has been fully set up. Congratulations! Now you can go to your dashboard and begin selling gift cards for your local business.